Hello everyone, welcome to Team Pic2Plate's product demo. Pic2Plate is an AI-powered cooking assistant, and it is the smartest way to reduce food wastage and take the guesswork out of cooking. We leverage Google's Gemini API to detect ingredients directly and accurately. We've built the entire app on Flutter for fast, cross-platform deployment to ensure a consistent user experience. We use Fast API to support rapid development and seamless integration with frontend. We dynamically fetch recipes using the Spoonacular API and have in-house logic and filters to suggest the best recipes to users. We have enabled the users to save the recipes offline within the app, improving usability without requiring user accounts. So without further ado, let us jump into the product demo from a student's perspective.
Oh, hi Akshata, how are you?
Hi Gowrish, I'm good. And how was your day? Why are you so late?
Oh, don't even ask me. I've been working on my thesis the entire day and I haven't had anything other than a bagel for breakfast. Please tell me you've cooked something for dinner.
I just came from class. I haven't cooked anything either.
Oh no, let's see what we can make. Oh god, we have these many ingredients? I seriously have no clue what to cook. I think we should order takeout again.
Hold on, that's not a good idea because they're gonna go to waste. I have a better idea. I've been using this app called Pic2Plate from a while, and it's a lifesaver, honestly.
What does it do?
So what it does is that you take a picture of your pantry and then it scans all the ingredients and gives you a recipe.
Oh, that sounds great. I've never heard of an app like this. Can you show me how it works?
So over here you have an option to upload the image and we can take a picture. Let me take a picture. There you go. And let's upload it.
Oh, that was fast.
There you go. So it has detected all the ingredients.
We also have chicken in the freezer. Can we add that? Should you take a picture again?
No, that's not required. You can add it right here. There you go.
Can you add rice as well? We have a lot of it left.
Oh, sure. Okay, I've added them and let's generate the recipe.
Oh wow. Oh, this looks good. Slow cooker chicken gumbo. Can we cook that?
Hold on. Let me sort it with the time. Okay, that's gonna take some time, so let's go with this. We can cook that later. So let me save it for you.
Oh, that's nice.
And let's try this. You see, it's got recipes as well, along with the ingredients that we have and the missing ingredients. So you can follow the step-by-step recipe and cook.
Wow, this is great. Think we should get started with the ingredients.
Let's go.
Oh, also, where is the saved recipe? Where can I access it?
Right, that's a good question. Let me just show you where it is saved. You have an option over here. Go to save recipes and there you go. You have it
We'll
saved.
make sure to cook this tomorrow. Let's get cooking.
Let's go.